Welcome. The Internet Marketer Training Channel by George Pierce presents 3 of the best side hustles. Side hustles that just about anyone can do, make great money at, and enjoy. And stay with me for your bonus. Your bonus is another side hustle that you will love. Your bonus is about getting paid to drive. I am not talking about driving others. This is how you can get paid to drive your own car. You will see how you can make money for doing something that you are already doing. If you need to make money right away, perhaps to help with expenses such as your bills, rent, mortgage, or groceries, you can use any of these side hustles immediately. Depending on your area and skills, you can work a few hours a week or full-time or more. You can make as much money or as little money as you want. Each of these money makers are proven to be trustworthy. You can rely on getting paid as agreed. First is TaskRabbit. If you are not familiar with side hustles, one of the major benefits of most side hustles is that you can earn money your way. This means that you have flexibility with both your schedule and the kinds of jobs that choose to do. The hourly rate on TaskRabbit ranges from $15 an hour to over $80 an hour depending on the job. TaskRabbit is partnered with IKEA, so, of course, furniture assembly is going to be one of the jobs that are available. TaskRabbit has all kinds of tasks available, tasks that just about everyone can do. You can get paid to run errands. You can get paid to wait in line. You can make money doing someone shopping for them. Another example of the many tasks that are available is yard work and removal. TaskRabbit is available in the US. Also in Europe. Working with TaskRabbit is easy. Click on Get Started or on one of the TaskRabbit apps. Then fill in the details. Next is a side hustle that some of you are going to love. It is a site called Rover and it is going to pay you to play with pets. Notice that you have a range of services that you can choose, such as dog walking, dog sitting, in-house sitting, doggy daycare, and boarding. Your next side hustle is called Urban Sitter. It is for babysitters and nannies. You might be surprised to know that full-time sitters can earn $1,000 a week. You can get started in 3 easy steps. What is great about Urban Sitter is that you get to keep 100% of what you make. Next is your bonus. Your bonus is literally going to pay you to drive. Your bonus is an app called On My Way. It is going to pay you for every mile that you drive without texting. On My Way will pay you $100 for joining, and will pay you 5 cents for every mile that you drive without texting. When you join On My Way, you will be given a special link. A referral link. If you love On My Way and you can share your referral link with others. For every referral, you will receive $2. You will also get paid 2 cents for every mile that they drive without texting. On My Way is a pretty cool app and one that you are sure to enjoy. If you like this video so far, if you are finding value in this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Turn that like button black. Do that right now. Thank you. You are watching the Internet Marketer Training Channel by George Pierce. If you are interested in making money, I invite you to subscribe and ring the bell so you will be notified every time a new video is uploaded. If you would like to look at another way to make money, I invite you to check out Mr. P's #1 choice for making a full-time income from home. You can earn $10,000 a month and more in a few short months. Click the first link below where it says Start Here and I will send you the details. Thank you for watching. I wish you much success. Please do not forget the like button and subscribe so you never miss a video. Watch this video next.